morning, Scots. Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Kim.
Hello, students and teachers. I'm AJ, and we have some announcements for you today.
First, seniors, you need to get your free senior yearbook picture taken with Carlos Murillo Photography by October 27th. Call him at 661-332-4170 to schedule an appointment.
Second, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so on Wednesdays, we wear pink.
Third, Monday, October 16th, we have a 2-hour early out. Students can get a grab-and-go lunch after dismissal.
Now it's time for a break.
Hey Scots, this month is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. The importance of Breast Cancer Awareness Month is to remind your friends and family to get screened as soon as possible. So please remind your friends and family to try and get screened today. And if you want to learn more, please click this code right here or this link. And thank you so much. Have a great day, Scots.
We love you, MBS!
Welcome back, everyone.
Now we'll be going with sports.
What's going on, Scots? We're getting ready for the spooky season. I'm Julian Medina.
And I'm Sari Ruby.
Let's move on with some sports announcements. Ladies, if you are interested in basketball trials will be from October 23rd to the 25th, so please do not miss out on this opportunity.
Also, if you want to be a part of any sports, go to the activities office if you have any questions.
The football team will be having its away game today at BHS. Get your tickets on GoFan ASAP.
That's it for today.
Let's get on back to the studio.
Thanks for that information.
It's time for Savannah
On the Go.
Savannah on the go.
Hi, my name is Savannah Drury, and this is episode 5 of Savannah on the Go. Today we are going to be asking the Highland population about if they enjoyed homecoming or not, and the game, and all of the stuff. Let's go! Hi, who am I speaking with?
Hello, my name is Xander Roscoe, aka Xan the Man.
Alright, and what was your opinion on homecoming, like the dance and everything?
The dance is cool. I had a really good time. My date was really cool. The game was also really cool.
That's pretty great, that's pretty great.
I was in the dance. I kind of did great, you know.
I was also in the dance, and seniors first place, anyways.
Yeah, that kind of sucks, but it's okay. Juniors got second or something. I don't really know.
Yeah, I think it was
I had a good time.
I think it was in order. I had a good time too. Hi, who am I speaking with today?
Caleb Lanson.
Nice to meet you. And how was homecoming?
I didn't go.
You didn't go? Did you go to the dance?
No.
The game?
Yes, I went to the game.
How was the game?
It was very good.
Hi, who am I speaking with?
Jarrell Ma.
Nice to meet you. And how was homecoming?
I heard that it was very stinky.
And the game?
The game, very nice, very good, especially halftime.
Who am I speaking with today?
Rochelle.
Nice to meet you. And how was homecoming?
It was really good. It was hot in the gym though.
It was very hot. And how was the game?
The game was good. Yeah.
Hi, who am I speaking with?
Taylor.
Nice to meet you. And how was homecoming?
The dance was good. It was fun. It was kind of hot though.
How was the game?
The game was fun. I liked the game. It was.
And did you do anything fun afterwards?
No, I kind of just went home.
Fun. All right, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this episode of Savannah on the Go. There will be more episodes coming every single week, and I'll see y'all next week for episode 6. 6? Yeah, 6. All right, bye.
Thank you for that segment.
Students
Teachers,
and staff members at Highland High School.
the last 2 weeks you learned about what P and L stands for plaid. Now it's time to focus on A.
Attitude. Look at this video clip.
Here's how to and how not to show attitude.
Oh, dude, are those chips? Thanks. Hey, dude, can I have some chips?
Yeah, sure, dude. That's all you get.
Oh, thanks, dude.
Remember, Scots, always show attitude here at Highland.
Here's a video from one of our counselors.
Miss Dunkel.
Hi, Highland Scots. It is Miss Dunkel, and I'm here to talk to you about Student View and how to easily log in. Okay, so all you have to do is go to connect.kernhigh.org, Make sure to click I am a student. And then when you see login with SSO, just click there. And then it logs you in without having to type in a username or a password. So you can do this on your Chromebook or through the Student View app on your phone. Make sure you're checking your grades and your attendance. That way you can keep up on everything to have a successful year. Always remember to plaid up.
The video production program is selling t-shirts starting today at the finance office for $20.
Check out the design for the t-shirt, Marvel Comics theme.
Remember, if you'd like to purchase one, to go by the finance office before school, during lunch, or after school.
$20 for a t-shirt.
Remember to follow our IG page at HHS Video Pro to see behind the scenes videos, projects, and updates around Highland. That's it for today, and always remember to plaid up.